Hi guys, today we are going to start amines. Amines are the organic compounds which contain nitrogen. As you have seen that we usually write like CH3NH2, CH3NH2, methenamine, ethenamine. You see, these are the organic compounds containing nitrogen. So amines are the organic compound containing nitrogen. These are the very important class of organic compounds. Why they are important class? Because if we see natural substances which are very important in our daily life, like vitamins, hormones, alkaloids, proteins, and many more natural substances are there which contain amine. You know very well, if we don't have vitamins in our body, if imbalances there will be having diseases, deficiency diseases. You know very well hormones are very important in control and coordination system. Their imbalance also causes the problem to our body. Health issues are there. Alkaloids are important in medicines. Proteins are making the framework of our body. So they are body building materials. So we know that because these many such compounds are very important in our daily life and they are available in nature, so obviously amines are very important. Even not only natural, synthetic substances are there, like drugs are there. As I spoke about medicines, you know very well medicines are those drugs which are taken for therapeutic use under some prescribed dose, controlled dose. So these chemical substances which are used as medicines are called as drugs. Dyestuffs, polymers, these are synthetic substances which contain the amines. So amines are very important in our daily life. A lot of application in our life is there. So let us see few of the examples on which some questions are also asked, like adrenaline, ephedrine. These are the biologically active compounds. You know those compounds which are active in our biological system. So these are biologically active compounds. They are important for increasing the blood pressure. They increase the blood pressure. It contains secondary amine group. You know very well which one is secondary amine group. RNHR. They contain the secondary amine group. Similarly, if we see compounds like novocaine, this is synthetic amino compound. This is synthetic compound containing amino group. It is useful as an anesthetic in dentistry. Dentists use this substance for anesthesia. You know they work with the tooth decay and tooth problems. So it may happen that they have to struck out the teeth or some molar teeth and like that. So for that condition, anesthesia is required, Novocaine is used. Similarly, Benadryl, you see the ad also of Benadryl in the television. This is the medicine given when a person is having lot of cough. So this Benadryl is also containing tertiary amino group. Tertiary amino group यानी this is the 3-degree amino group or tertiary amino group. So Benadryl contains tertiary amino group. It is used as antihistaminic. Antihistaminic क्या होता है? Histamines are those substances which have inflammatory effect and allergic reaction in our body. Antihistamines suppress the activity of histamines. So this Benadryl is having antihistaminic effect. So it is used in cold and cough, especially cough. We have other compounds like quaternary ammonium salts. Quaternary ammonium salts, which are used as surfactant. What are surfactant? Those substances which are used to clean the surfaces like soap, detergents. So these are used for the surfactants. So we are studying amines because they have lot of importance and significance in our daily life. In next lecture we'll study what are actually amines, chemically what are they, and their details. Thank you.